Vameon, Vaughn, listing on MEXC Global tomorrow. MEXC Kickstarter vote Vameon, Vaughn, to win free 1,052,650,000 VON and 30,000 USDT airdrops. MEXC is thrilled to launch another session of Kickstarter, a pre-listing event on MEXC initiated by project teams where users can commit MEXC to support their favorite projects. This event is designed to identify high-quality projects while offering free airdrops to MEXCers. Presenting the project for this session of Kickstarter, Vameon, Vaughn. About Vameon, Vaughn. Vameon brings you a cutting-edge 3D mobile action RPG The Empire of Vampire game powered by B&B Chain. Blending AAA gameplay with instant onboarding, all within a decentralized play-to-earn NFT metaverse. Players are fully immersed in an ecosystem where they can mint free NFT characters and build their value through in-game progress, as well as earn crypto rewards and enjoy the captivating gameplay. Total supply, 1 trillion Vaughn. Vaughn by Vameon is the ecosystem utility token issued on the B&B Smart Chain. Vaughn token carries utility features to create the play-to-earn model in the NFT metaverse The Empire of Vampire, created and maintained by Vameon Studio. 1. In-game purchases. Purchase of game currency, blood, amulets, spells, skills, as well as paid subscriptions for Vaughn tokens via the website with a 30% discount from the price in the Apple Store and Google Play. 2. Free VIP Club subscriptions. Vaughn token holders will be provided with free in-game VIP Club subscriptions with options that regular users buy for money via the Apple Store and Google Play. 3. Additional levels. Additional game missions will be available for Vaughn token holders, in particular, returning back to completed levels and another dimension with farming ability. 4. Buying NFT Earn. Players will be able to purchase an NFT Earn token for Vaughn tokens for 30% less than making a similar in-app purchase via Google Play and App Store. 5. Marketplace. All sales and purchases transactions of NFT characters in the game marketplace will take place in Vaughn tokens. The marketplace will have fees in Vaughn tokens for each completed transaction. 6. Rewards. The income in Vaughn tokens by Vameon will be distributed every 3 months from the game pool among active players who meet the required conditions. More details in the first paragraph of the play-to-earn section. Income accrual. 7. Staking. Players will be able to participate in staking programs by staking their Vaughn tokens for certain periods and receiving passive income in Vaughn tokens at APR and APY rates. Coin listing on MEXC tomorrow, December 24, 2024. Time VON/USDT. Start time: December 24, 2024, 9 o'clock. Like, share and subscribe for more videos with crypto signals and update on coin listing on exchanges.